Hi everyone, this is Bharati. Today our topic is Rollover Buttons. In this topic, we will learn how the button changes its look when the user places the mouse pointer over the button. So, how to apply those changes to the button and how can we write the program for that button. So, all these things we will learn in today's class. Let's start the class.
Rollover buttons. Rollover buttons are buttons which change their look when the user places the mouse pointer over the button. What is happening here? When there is a button. When the user places the mouse pointer over the button, then the button will change its look depending upon the code whatever you have mentioned. How to create image rollovers in JavaScript. Image rollovers are implemented by creating two images for the same button. Here we are taking images for that button. So, how many images we are taking here? Two images we are taking here. The first image is that which you want displayed when the mouse is not hovering over it. So, first image will be displayed whenever the mouse pointer is away from the button. The second image is the graphic you want displayed when the mouse pointer is over the graphic. So, the second image will be displayed when the mouse pointer is placed on the button. This is the image rollovers. Let's see how it will display. See here. Here is an image. Whenever the mouse point is away from the image, this image will be displayed. So now I am placing the mouse pointer over the image. See here, the image is changed. So I am taking away from my mouse pointer from the image. So it is displayed the actual image. So like this, our rollover buttons will be worked. Let's learn how to write the program for this program. HTML tag, then body tag. Within the body, I want to take a link, that is anchor tag, and here H reference will be hash. Means why I am giving here hash? I am not displaying any other web page from this page. So I want to display the image, and within the page that image will be changed. So no other websites will be displayed here. So I am giving here as H reference as hash. Next, we have to write two functions for this program. That is, one is for my mouse out. When the mouse out, then one function will be activated, and when the mouse is over the button, then one function will be activated. So here I am taking a function that is for the event on mouse out. The function name is my mouse off. So this function will be declared in the JavaScript code. And next, another function is here my mouse off. And another activity is there, that is mouse over. So on mouse over event, on mouse over, then I want to execute another function. That function name is my mouse on function. So we are giving images in the document. So here I am giving an image object, so an image tag, and source is I want to display my image, that is image2.jpg, and width for this image is 60 and height for this image, when it is displaying, the height will be here I am giving some 37 height. As we are using JavaScript functions, so this image will be referred in the JavaScript functions. So here I am giving name for this function, that name is top. So this anchor tag will be closed, and body tag, close the body tag and close the HTML tag. So this is our code in the body. Whenever the document is loading, we have to represent one image. So here I have to write another function. So when the page is loading, so on load, I will write the code for some function preload. So whenever the page is loading, then here I am executing one function, JavaScript function, that name is preload. So we have to write the code for preload function and my mouse off function and my mouse on function in the JavaScript code. So here I am giving heading tag, header, so head section. Within the head section, I have to write JavaScript code. So script long ways is equal to JavaScript. In this scripting, we have to write some functions. So first function is preload function. In this preload function, I want to display two images. So I want to create two objects for that two images. One is top on object. This top on object, now I am creating this object, new image, as we are creating image object, and this image object size we can mention here, from 60 width and 37 height, as we mentioned previously in the image tag. So here I am mentioning 60 width and 37 height. So this is our top on object, image object. So here we have to give any image, we have to initialize any image to the a top on image object. So here I am initiating this top on object with top on dot source. So we have to give source to this top on. So I am giving some image1 dot jpg, and next I am taking another image object top of. So top of here I am creating an image object. So new image height and width 60, 37, and we have to give the source for this top of object. So top of dot source src equal to, I am providing an image, that is image img. So in my system img2.jpg image is there. So here I am giving here img2.jpg, and here also in my system I have img1.jpg. So here also I am giving that name only. Whatever the images we are having in our system, those names we have to mention here. So two image objects I have created in this preload function. So whenever the body is loading, whenever the page is loading on load, then the preload function will execute. In this preload function we have written two objects with initializing two images. Next we have to write these two functions, my mouse off and my mouse on. So next I am writing another function my mouse on. In this I am writing when the mouse is on, then what will happen, what have to display here, when the mouse is on, I want to display top on image object, because here we have given here the default image is image2. So whenever the mouse is on, the image have to change. So here I will give the top on source, that is top on object will be displayed here. So I will give here the top on object to the document image. So for that purpose I am taking document object from the body tag, and for this document object I am taking images, name is top. What image we are taking here? The image is top. As we mentioned here, this image we have to change. So this image we are taking in this image object. So top is mentioned here in images dot src equal to top on dot src. So what is going to happen here? This function, whenever the function is executed, then the document object with images will be taken. In this image we have given the name of image is top. So for this image what we are providing here, top on.src. Actual image is image2. So now we are providing, when the mouse is on, then we are providing top on.src. So here what we have mentioned in top on.src, image1.jpg. So instead of displaying image2.jpg, the mouse is on, then image1.jpg will be displayed. And next we have to write another function, my mouse off. Same, whenever the mouse is away from the button, then we have to display the image as image2. So here I am taking document object. This document object will, in this document we are taking images. So dot images, the image name will be top. So here we are taking the top image from the document object, and here for this we are providing the source equal to top of dot src. So what will happen here, when the mouse is away from the image, then here the document, this function will execute, and in this function what is going to happening here, document object is taking images from the document object, that is from the body, and what the image we are taking here, top image is taking here, and for this image we are providing source, that source is top of dot src, that is image2. So whenever the mouse is away from the image, then the image2 will be displayed. So these are the functions. So we completed the functions whichever we have to give. So I am closing here JavaScript tag. So close the script tag, then close the head tag. Within the head we are writing script tag, so I am closing here head tag also. Save this one, save on desktop as rollover .html. Save. So let's execute this program. So here in my desktop I have image1 and image2. Two images are here. So this is our rollover.html page. Open this rollover.html. So here is our image1. My mouse is away from the image. Now see this one, it changes its image. This is image2. So again I am going away from this image. So image1 will be displayed, image2 will be displayed. So this is our rollover buttons. These are the books you have to refer. Thank you.